The battle lines have once again been drawn as taxi drivers operating in all taxi parks within the city form a rival faction to manage taxi business, challenging the current leadership of Utrada, another faction led by Mustafa Mayambala. The new tax body is strictly targeting taxi drivers and conductors and aims at uniting all drivers in the business, according to the leaders.
As leaders of the stages, we decided to embark on our individual stages as the only way to eliminate all those opportunities. Because formation and registration of an association is very easy as compared to starting a new stage.
This comes barely months after government and Kampala Capital City Authority took over management of all taxi parks following continued bickering among drivers, citing mismanagement of taxi affairs, and the new organization is promising to rectify this. The group, that is backed by Amalgamated Transport and General Workers Union, is set to conduct fresh elections to choose leaders that will manage the industry.
We are saying unity is power. So we are going to unite, we are going to make sure we protect you, we work together. We even ask the government to make sure they support this initiative.
The taxi business has seen rival groups including Dakar, Cosmovo, Utrada, Tapscom bickering after Kampala Capital City Authority kicked out Utoda in 2010. Naba, WBS TV, Kampala.